In this video, I want to go over something that's related to getting sums of certain numbers. So the particular sum that I'm looking at is consecutive numbers. And what we mean by consecutive are numbers like so. 1, 2, 3 would be consecutive. Why? Because they come right after the other. 5, 6, 7 are consecutive. 9, 10, 11 are also consecutive. So these are consecutive numbers and they could be as long as you want. So the idea is, what if someone were to give you $1 the first day, and then they gave you $2 the second, $3 the third, $4 the fourth, and so on, until you reach 100 days. And the question is, how much money would you have after 100 days? The question can also be, how much money would you have after 1,000 or 1,000,000 days or 1,000,000,000 days? And we come to an interesting problem. It's a sum of these consecutive numbers. And it becomes tedious. You're looking at numbers 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Yes, we have calculators and we continue adding these numbers. We keep going all the way to plus 100. So if you get $1 and $2 the second day and $3 the third day, up to 100 days, the question is, how much total money would you have? So what is the sum of the consecutive numbers from 1 to 100? And that becomes really tedious, especially if you're going up to 1,000 or 1,000,000. However, there's this really ingenious way that was developed to sum numbers from 1 to 100. And it goes so. You start with listing the numbers from 1 to 50, or 1 to 49. Start 1 to 49. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus all the way to 49, let's say. So that covers the first 49 numbers. And then in the second row, we have the numbers from 50 to 100. But we'll leave 50 and 100 out for now. Think about 51 to 99. Now, if we start with 99 in the second row, 99 plus 98 plus 97, and line them up right under 1, 2, 3. So 99 should be right under 1, should be right under 2, 97 should be right under 3, 96 should be right under 4, and then looking at the pattern, 51 should be right under 49. Now, if you examine carefully, you can see that the pairs of numbers in rows 1 and 2 add up to 100 each. 1 plus 99 would be 100. 2 plus 98 would be 100. 3 plus 97 would be 100. 4 plus 96 would be 100. 49 plus 51 would be also 100. So as you can see, adding numbers like this in this way makes it extremely easy to figure out the sum. If you just consider adding 1 to 100 and adding them consecutively, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 all the way to plus 100, it becomes challenging to do in your mind. But if you write them out like this in 2 rows, adding 1 and 99 is super simple. It's 100. Adding 2 and 98 is 100. Adding 3 and 97 is 100. So then in total, we get 49 of these pairs. That means we got 49 times 100 of these pairs. So that means we get 4,900 so far as our sum. And now we just have to tack on the 2 numbers that we were missing, which is 50 and 100. So in total, our whole sum is going to be 5,050. So I'm going to cover how to add up to 1,000 or 1,000,000 or any number of consecutive numbers in the next video. And I challenge you to maybe figure out a pattern or a formula to figure out how to get the sum of these consecutive numbers.